Airdopes Atom 81. Hey, did you know that boAt Airdopes Atom 81 gives 60 minutes playback on just 5 minutes of charging? Let's have a look at a few more features it has. The boAt Airdopes Atom 81 redefines endurance with an astonishing 50-hour playback time, including 10 hours on the earbuds. Plus, get a quick 60-minute charge in just 5 minutes with a Type-C cable. Now you can listen to all your favorite tunes all day and night. Say goodbye to background noise. Thanks to boAt's trademark ENx technology, these Bluetooth earbuds suppress ambient sounds, ensuring crystal clear voice calls. No more shouting on your calls. For surety, hear for yourself.
You can hear my voice even in a noisy environment without any background noise. That's the power of ENx technology working for you.
Gamers, this one's for you. Experience an ultra low latency of just 50 milliseconds. That means minimal delay between your actions and the in-game response, giving you a competitive edge. With 4 microphones, you're guaranteed crisp and clear hands-free calls. Whether you're in a noisy environment or not, your voice will shine through. boAt stands by its quality. You get a 1-year warranty from the date of purchase against manufacturing defects. The boAt Airdopes Atom 81 comes with stunning color options like opal black, aero blue and pearl white. There's a style to match your personality. So when you buy your Airdopes, this is what is included in the box. So to summarize, these earbuds offer low latency, 50 hours of total playback time and fast charge, Quad Mic with ENx technology, environmental noise cancelling for clear calls, IPX5, Bluetooth version 5.3, capacitive touch control. So grab your pair of Airdopes Atom 81 at Amazon and experience the future of wireless audio.